we are witnessing the fall of a giant. For 2 decades, we were told that if we wanted to know anything, we had to Google it. But in 2026, Google has become a digital graveyard of ads, SEO spam, and outdated links. If you're a student, spending hours scrolling through ads and useless links to find facts for your essay, you're losing the game. For students and researchers, the traditional search engine is no longer a tool, it's a hurdle. Google is officially broken. But while the world is complaining about the decline of the internet, a new predator has emerged. It's called Perplexity AI. Today, I'm going to show you why I've officially deleted my bookmarks and why, by the end of this video, you will never look at a search bar the same way again. What's up, Sammy techies? Welcome back to Tech Sammy, where you discover digital skills and powerful AI tools that does 90% of the work for you to help you stop working harder and start working smarter, earn online, and grow faster. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable content like this. Look at this. Normally, researching the geopolitical impact of AI in 2026 across 3 different continents would take you at least 2 hours of opening tabs and filtering through bias. I'm typing a prompt that would break a standard search engine. Watch the speed. It isn't just giving me links, it's reasoning. It's scanning live data, cross-referencing sources, and synthesizing a master-level report in real time. This is the difference between searching for information and actually finding it. But here's the real reason Google is scared. Hallucinations. We've all seen AI make things up. But Perplexity does something different. Notice these small numbers next to every sentence? These are live citations. If the AI says it, it proves it. As a student, this is your get out of jail free card for plagiarism and accuracy checks. 1 click and you're looking at the primary source, a government white paper or a peer-reviewed journal. You're not just getting an answer, you're getting an evidence-backed thesis. Now, let's go deeper. Most people use this like a chatbot. That's a mistake. Watch what happens when I drop a 50-page technical PDF into the focus mode. I'm asking it to find the gaps in the research. Within seconds, it's done. It's not just reading the web, it's reading your data. This turns a 4-hour study session into a 4-minute summary. If you aren't using the focus feature to target academic papers specifically, you're only using 10% of this machine's power. The world is splitting into 2 groups, those who work for technology and those who make technology work for them. By mastering Perplexity, you've already moved into the second group. This is how you win in 2026. I've linked my 1 million side hustle blueprint guide in this video in the description. Don't just watch this, go use it. Before we end today's video, I have something exciting to share with you. To all my amazing Tech Sammy family, very soon I'll be launching something special called Tech Sammy Creative Lab. This is more than just a community. It's a space designed for you to learn, grow, and earn. Inside this community, you'll gain access to powerful knowledge on AI tools that can save you hours of work, practical digital skills, and real strategies to help you become more productive and profitable online. The goal is simple: to help you stop working harder and start working smarter. This is something I'm building specifically for you, my subscribers, because I want you to have the right environment and resources to level up. So make sure you stay tuned. I'll be sharing more details soon on how you can join the Tech Sammy Creative Lab and become part of the Techies family. Trust me, we're just getting started. That's it for today's video, Sammy Techies. If you enjoyed this video and found the AI tool helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications bell so you don't miss the next one. And if you want to keep learning more AI tools and digital skills, firstly, click the link in the description to access my free 1 million side hustle blueprint guide, especially for you techies, especially if you're a student and want to make money for yourself while in school. Also, look out for the next video. Till then, stop working harder and start working smarter. Thanks for watching, It's me, your favorite AI and tech coach, Tech Sammy. I'll see you in the next one.